A modern civilization is only possible when it is accepted that singular beings exist and express themselves freely. So, obviously, civilization cannot be necessarily considered to be a huge mass or chunk of people that just have no identities, character, distinctions, differences at all, that are devoid of personality, or that are just absolutely divorced from distinction, individuality, authenticity, defines in their lives. If that is the case, then that is no civilization at all. A civilization basically refers to the composition and combination of so many people at the same time. That is definitely there, but those people come with their unique colors and differences and distinctions and chaos and miseries and many other paradoxes that actually makes them not only basically identical or absolutely different, contradictory from each other, but that is what makes them a civilization in one way or another, just as we are a civilization. We are an ancient one. We come from very old times and we are a civilizational state because of our diversity. If our diversity and if our extra large population and gatherings sometimes leads to and makes chaos, confusion, disorder inevitable, and sometimes if we suffer obviously because of so much difference or basically civilization from inequality, injustice, unemployment, that then this is also the feature that makes civilizations and large population states beautiful and basically distinct and miraculous in one way or another, something that the other countries don't necessarily have. So, obviously, a civilization can only be considered to be a free, authentic, desirable when its people are individually recognized, when everyone in it can basically live with their own virtues, values, standards, and judgments, and basically boundaries that are respected, that they set for themselves, that they create for success, for basically self respect, self knowledge, or out of many experiences, pains they make, and they impose their own boundaries upon them. That is what a civilization is. That is what makes it complete. If there is no variation in it, if the people are not even acknowledged in their particularity, in their individuality, and if they are also not allowed or permitted to live with the full expression of their character, authenticity, difference, and other variations, then that just cannot be considered to be a Western or a Eastern civilization at all, or a modern civilization. Civilization is just not a mass or a herd of people of mediocrity, ignorance, arrogance, and that just can be dictated, dominated, subjugated by a one ruler or one single government. If that is the case,